If Gemini feels a bit intrusive inside your Gmail inbox, you can quiet it down by turning off smart features altogether. While Google does not offer a single button to completely delete the AI integration, you can strip away the side panel, writing prompts, and automatic summaries with just a few clicks in your settings. To get started, make sure you are logged into Gmail on a desktop web browser. Mobile apps do not show all of these control toggles, so doing this on a computer is key. Look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon to open settings. Next, click on See All Settings to open up the full control panel. You will land directly on the General tab. Scroll down through this menu until you see the section labeled Smart Features and Personalization. Right now, that option is likely checked. Go ahead and uncheck the box next to Turn on Smart Features in Gmail, Chat, and Meet. Now, here is the important thing to keep in mind about the trade-off. When you switch this off, you are not just removing the Gemini side panel and the Help Me Write prompts. You are also turning off automatic email categorization, smart reply suggestions, and summary cards for things like package tracking or travel reservations. It goes both ways. You lose the automatic convenience features in exchange for a clean, AI-free workspace. We are not quite done yet. Still inside the General tab, look right below that setting and click on Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. This takes you to a separate page with two main toggles. You want to turn off Smart Features in Google Workspace and then turn off Smart Features in other Google products as well. Disabling the second option ensures that your email data will not feed into AI suggestions across Google Maps, Assistant, or Search. Once you have unchecked those choices, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will automatically reload your inbox. When it comes back up, you will notice that the Gemini icon is gone from the side panel. The ghostwriting suggestions no longer pop up as you draft messages, and your email interface is stripped back to standard text. That gives you total control over how much automation runs inside your email account. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.